Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically extract an audio from your videos and how you can kind of like merge them back together later on. So I'm just going to add this to my track, and I'm just going to right click on the video to extract audio. There's also a shortcut for it as well. Don't know if that says Control Shift S or 5. So I'm just going to right click and select it instead. Now once it's done, you can delete the video, and the audio will still be there. You can also restore the audio to its video. So I'm just going to delete that. Right click on the video, and then you can restore it. Well, like basically recover it by pressing the same button. And that is it. Basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!